today is on a car battery, and I'm here with Keith, VP of Mechanical Services here at Lex Brodie's. So Keith, first off, how important is the battery?
Well, the battery, what nobody really understands is the battery is the foundation for the car's computer system. So the condition of a battery makes it possible for the car's computer to make the proper calculations and adjustments so your engine runs smooth.
Are there any warning signs to tell me that my battery's running low or something's not working?
Yes, there are. The first warning sign would actually be when you start your car, a dragging kind of noise or slow cranking. That'll be a first indication of the battery starting to go bad.
How often should I check the battery?
The battery should be tested at least every 6 months. So every time you're doing oil change, at Lex Brodie's we do complimentary battery testing. Every time you bring your car in for an oil change, we'll automatically test your battery.
Come down to Lex Brodie's and talk to Keith here and learn more about the battery of a car. Thanks, Keith.
Thank you.
Lex Brodie's Tire Company.